I will tell you one of the embarrassing stories of my life, which I'm still glad happened. I'm so sorry. Me and two of my friends went over to my sister and her boyfriend's house. Let's call my friends Hanna and Ádám. We stood behind each other in front of the front door, where for some reason the threshold was irrationally high. It was as high as a wall. First of all, Hanna went inside, but she tripped over the raised threshold. Me and Ádám, we talked the same things. I saw on his face. I can't tell by his eyes. I can't believe this. This is so embarrassing. Why we bring her? That time I'm not smiling. Then he went after, and the same things happened again. He tripped over the threshold. And yeah, this was the moment when I burst out laughing. This type of laughing when you can't stop no matter how hard you try. You know what I'm talking about. And no, I wasn't tripped over after him. I took care not to embarrass myself, so I took a big step like never before. I successfully entered first from our group without falling. Yes, I'm proud myself, not embarrassed myself yet. Good job! But I still have tears coming from laughing. I took a deep breath and tried to hold back my laughter until I say hello and kiss on his cheeks. I even feel the tree inside of me. Just for a moment, I can't do this. I was serious. I was already next to him. I held back my laughter perfectly until a few inches from his beautiful face. I burst out laughing again. And the volcano of sputum erupted. The bullet just flew and flew and flew in the air, started to break the curve, and landed on his cheeks perfectly. Yes, I spat on my sister's boyfriend. And this awkward moment, the time almost slowed down to enjoy this moment even more. So romantic. I guess Jack from the Titanic must have been proud of me. The poor man understood what happened quite quickly. I tried to wipe the thing off from his cheeks with a quick movement in case he didn't notice it, and with an awkward apology. Sorry, it's okay. But hey guys, that can happen with everyone. It was an accident. And I'm not embarrassed myself with the threshold, right? Actually, that day a good and funny memory to us. It's good to remember it. Anyways, the guy was a fuckboy, so he deserved it. The little sister, that helps where needed. Tell me your stories on the comment section. Don't be shy. Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.